Hello, for today's update, we have a few features that we wanted to go over. First, we will start off with our new field customization that will pertain to our truck, trailer, and driver profiles. So let's open up a driver profile as an example. And now, as you can see, we have this little gear button that will allow us to adjust which fields we do and don't want to see. As you can see, those have now been removed based off of the ones that we had unchecked. Next change that we have is going to be a small one under users, which will now be visible under their permissions. As you can see now, there is a general box that will be able to show the table total and averages, or if you don't want them visible, you don't have to have that checked. So I'll show you quickly where that is as well. So for example, if you have that box checked for that specific user, these totals and averages would be visible or not visible depending on how you want it to be set up. So while we are here on order planning as well, we will now go to our next feature, which will be under our dispatch window. As you can see, now we have this new checkbox that says drop trailer. So you can select that, and then you can also select any trailers from that location in order to replace that drop trailer with. So while we are talking about trailers, we have a new report as well, which will be called our drop trailer report. As you can see, you can select the time frame that you'd like, click calculate, and it will show you all of the drop trailers that you currently have with their days idle, so how long they've been sitting as well. So you can better keep track of all your drop trailers. In addition to the drop trailers report, we have another addition here under our location section. So you are actually now going to be able to see this new tab called Trailer Pool, which will show you then all the trailers at this location that have been dropped and how long they are there as well. Our following change is now under the accounting section. As you can see, we have this new checkbox that says hide submitted. If you select this, all the orders that have already been submitted will be hidden and removed from the list. So if you uncheck it, they will be visible again. As you can see, the date submitted. But if this decreases any confusion for you, you can certainly check this box and you will have those be hidden from this list. Now, in regards to settlements, we have a few additional changes. Actually go into our preferences, and under accounting, you will now be able to see two new checkboxes under the settlement preferences. One is going to be hide gross pay for all drivers, so you can adjust that under the settlement, and also highlight unbilled orders. So we'll show you under the settlements page how that would also be visible as well. So now under our settlements, if we calculate them for our drivers, here now, for example, you'll be able to see the unbilled orders as red. So it'll be a little bit easier for accounting to see what was unbilled in order to process the settlements. The next change that we have under this window is actually in regards to deduction. If you right click, as you can see, now a little tab pops up that says create deduction. You can actually create new deductions directly from this screen associated with those drivers. One last change regarding the settlements. We have changed a little bit of the formatting. So let's just pull one up. It's a small change that we have that will now actually show the gallons that were used regarding a fuel card transaction. So as you can see now, this field gallons with the amount will be visible on the settlement as well. And the last little feature that we have added to our TMS will be in regards to a new provider for fuel cards integration, which we now have Compass in addition to EFS Fleet One and Comdata. So that concludes our update. let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.